To report issues with Rocket Money subscription management, follow these steps. First, ensure you have an active Rocket Money account and are experiencing a problem with your subscription. Common issues include incorrect charges, failed payments, or difficulties canceling a subscription. Next, navigate to the Rocket Money website or open the mobile app, depending on your preferred platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Then locate the Help or Support section. This is usually found at the bottom of the web page or in the app's menu. In the Support section, you will find various options to contact Rocket Money, including email, live chat, or a contact form. Choose the method that best suits your needs, considering the urgency of your issue. For immediate assistance, live chat is often the quickest way to connect with a support agent. When reporting your issue, provide as much detail as possible. Include your account information, a description of the problem, and any relevant screenshots or error messages. This will help the support team to quickly understand and resolve your issue. Additionally, review Rocket Money's FAQ section before reaching out, as your question may have already been answered. If you have already attempted to troubleshoot the issue, be prepared to describe the steps you have taken. Rocket Money's support team will respond to your inquiry and work with you to resolve the issue. They may request additional information or provide guidance on how to fix the problem yourself. Be patient and cooperative, as the goal is to find a solution that gets your subscription management back on track. By following these steps and providing clear, detailed information, you can efficiently report issues with Rocket Money subscription management and get the help you need to manage your subscriptions effectively.